Hey, what's up guys, Ollie here. So the AirPods have been out for quite a while now. I've been using them for the last couple of months. Wanted to give you a sort of long-term review on them. So the first thing you're going to notice is that these AirPods are space grey. Apple do not offer space grey AirPods. I got these from Colorware. Colorware are basically a company that will take your gadgets and make them any colour you want pretty much. This isn't sponsored or anything, I just got a pair from them, and these are the AirPods that I use every day. I do really like the look of these. I think Apple should have done space grey AirPods from the beginning. The space grey ones look awesome, they look expensive, they look classy, and I think they look a bit more elegant too. My favourite feature of the AirPods is definitely how compact and small they are. You know, they'll fit in any pocket, they'll fit in any bag, they'll fit pretty much anywhere. They're just so nice and small, they're the perfect size, and it's crazy to think that you get fully wireless earbuds in this sort of compact case. The mechanism to get them out of the case is incredibly satisfying. It's a nice little sort of click up. They're held in place with the magnet. The AirPods themselves are also held in place via magnets. I love how they're designed in a way where you know that the case isn't going to randomly open up in your pocket or your bag and the AirPods are going to fall out. There's quite a few sort of safeguards in place so that you don't lose an AirPod or two. It's good knowing that Apple have sort of taken those things into consideration, because obviously no one wants to lose one of their AirPods. When you get a new set of AirPods, the pairing process is so easy. Once you have your iPhone and your AirPods next to each other and you open up the AirPods case, you just get given a sort of walkthrough of how to pair them up, and it's so easy and so simple. It's one of the easiest and most simplest designs when it comes to pairing Bluetooth devices. There's no hassling, there's no messing around. And once you've paired it up with your iPhone, it will automatically pair with all your other Apple devices, so no need to go through the pairing process with all of them individually. I found even though using them after a couple of months, the battery life is still amazing. You know, including the case, you're definitely going to get over 24 hours of use. The case obviously has a battery in it to charge the AirPods. The AirPods will give you around 5 hours of listening time. And when you want more, you literally just put them in the case and you charge them up. Charging the AirPods for 15 minutes in the case gives you 3 hours of battery life, which is incredible. You know, you don't have to wait there for ages for the AirPods to charge. They charge so quickly, so easily. And when you have them in the case, they charge automatically all the time anyway. Probably my favorite feature of the AirPod is definitely the sensors within them. Apple have done a simple job of putting a sensor in each AirPod so that when you listen to the music or you're watching a video and you take an AirPod out, it will automatically pause the video or the music that you're listening to, which is so incredibly useful. You don't realize how useful that is until you have it. And it doesn't just work for an iPhone. When you're watching a video on your MacBook or you're listening to music on your MacBook, it'll automatically pause those too. You could be watching a YouTube video or a Netflix movie and you take your AirPod out and it'll automatically pause that video for you. And then once you put it back in, it'll resume, which is just awesome. It's such an easy and intuitive way of making sure that your music or your video is paused when you take an earphone out. Definitely one of the biggest attractions of the AirPods is that they're completely wireless. I've tested out a lot of wireless earbuds over the last year and nothing really comes close to the reliability and the ease of use of the AirPods, which has been quite surprising. I'm surprised that even though the AirPods have been out for this long, that no one has really come up with a real good competitor. You know, Apple have just done such a good job with them. There's also sensors in the AirPods to detect when you tap on them. Only a double tap though, so you can double tap on either side of the AirPod and you can do things like activate Siri, play or pause the music, or go to the next or previous track. Another fantastic feature of the AirPods is that when you open the case up, you'll be showing battery life of them on your phone. You'll see the battery life for the case and you'll see battery life for each AirPod as well. So it's a great way just to make sure that you've got battery life on your AirPods. When it comes to sound quality, I'd say the AirPods are sort of in the middle. I wouldn't say they're absolutely amazing or anything. They're never going to be, but they're definitely not the worst. I've tested out some other earbuds which are much, much worse. The AirPods are sort of just in the middle. I found the bass to be good. I found the sound quality to be good. You know, it's just good. It's not great. It's not fantastic. It's just pretty good. If you're someone who likes to sit down and really enjoy your music and take it in and, you know, just really experience it, the AirPods are not going to be for you. The AirPods are mainly just for people who just use them every day, sort of on your commute, or you're going to the gym, or just, you know, when you're sitting at your desk and you're working and you just want to listen to some music. I think they're fantastic for that sort of thing. So one of the biggest drawbacks of the AirPods is that it's a one size fits all, which is quite unfortunate because for me, I mean, I don't have an issue. They fit in my ear perfectly. I can use them at the gym. I can run, walk with them, whatever. I've never had an issue. They've never really fallen out. But I know for others that is not the case. Other people do have issues with them. You know, they don't fit in their ears or they just fall out, which of course is very frustrating because Apple don't offer the AirPods in different sizes. It's just a one size fits all. There's also no easy way to change the volume of the AirPods. If you want to do that, I found that using your phone is the easiest way with the volume rocker. A great solution to that would be some sort of touch interface on the AirPod itself, so you can slide up and down to change the music, which is just a very simple way of doing it. I'm not sure how and if that is even possible, but maybe it's something that Apple could maybe implement in a future version of the AirPods. I guess one of the other drawbacks with the AirPods is that I can't seamlessly go from device to device. I'm not really sure how this would be tackled, but when I want to use my AirPods with my MacBook, I sort of have to go into the Bluetooth settings and manually connect to my AirPods. And then when I want to go back to my phone, I have to go into the Bluetooth settings and manually connect back to them, which isn't a seamless experience. I'm not sure how this would be tackled, but I'm sure there is a sort of way of getting it done. Maybe when you open them up, you're sort of given an indicator on your phone or your Mac of if you want to listen to it on your MacBook or if you want to listen to it on iPhone. That's sort of one way I can think of how it could be done, but right now it's just not a very seamless transition. Overall, I think the AirPods are fantastic. They're probably one of the best products that Apple has released in the past few years. Mainly because they're so small and tiny, the battery life is amazing, they're truly wireless and I don't have any Bluetooth issues with them. They're just a great set of earbuds. The sound quality isn't fantastic. Like I said, they're just good enough. And I think one of the main drawbacks is that obviously they're not going to fit in everyone's ears, but I don't have an issue with that. And because of that, I think they're a great product. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram, links below, and subscribe for more.